gonna hit her in a minute.
Yeah, he's gonna punch. Don't punch the dog.
Dog.
No.
Say dog.
Don't.
He wants it so bad.
He's tense. I can feel him.
Yeah.
He's nervous.
The whole body.
Nah.
Y'all done got me away from my fan.
Don't. She just have to be touching her nose. Yeah, grab her neck.
There you go.
He push it down.
She gonna do this.
Yeah, she won't do nothing to a baby.
Yeah, it's okay, Dad. That's a baby.
Yeah, the baby won't get you much. I heard that.
Dog.
Dog.
I'm gonna put both hands on the dog.
No.
Oh, now you're getting.
Huh?
That's. He said dog. Why did he grab by the nose?
I told you.
Oh,
Don't.
Bella. You got your nose.
Y'all got me as a guinea pig.
Sorry about that. No.
Put it down, Leslie. He ain't scared of her now.
Sorry about that, Bella.
You finna go to his
Come here,
house.
Bella.
He said forget this.
Come here, Bella.
Come here, Bella. You can trust me. No, never mind. It's going to Dad.
Yeah, I told you he ain't scared of her now. He ready to kick it now.
Now he's ready to play.
TJ probably
That's
come
my
here and be holding him like, good.
No, he'll.
Wolf.
Yes, it's no. That's not a dog. That's a wolf. He wants to play basketball and go home.
Come here, Bella. Bella, come here. Come here.
Come here, Bella. Come here, Bella. Hey. And he shoots, he scores.
Take a picture.
I was taking a video. Huh?
Yeah, I always video and stuff.
Especially my nephew. This kid's my nephew. Good boy, you shot. I wait for him to talk and we have good conversations. Maybe December he'll talk and say Merry Christmas. Hey. Wait, what would I do?
Bella, Bella. Bella, Bella.
He does want to go near. She does want to go near Noah. Noah trying to beat her up.